Can phone screens be replaced? The last thing any smartphone owner wants to see are cracks on their phone screen after accidentally dropping it on the sidewalk. Unfortunately, cracked cell phone screens are all too common occurrences. But yes, you can have your phone screen replaced. First, it's important to understand that most phones have a separate digitizer and display. The digitizer covers the display, it's what you actually touch on a smartphone. These are two separate parts, however, many repair kits come packaged with both parts together. Make sure you purchase the appropriate replacement parts or service to avoid overpaying for cell phone screen replacement. You can either have your cell phone screen replaced by a professional cell phone repair service. Or if you have a bit of technical savvy, you can do it yourself. If you don't want to replace your own cell phone screen, you can opt for a professional cell phone screen replacement service. In Sydney CBD Repair Centre, you can have your phone screen replaced while you wait. They have skilled technicians and quality replacement screens for popular phone brands and models. Have your phone screen repaired today. Call 8011 4119 or visit Sydney CBD Repair.